Are you ready for a fire? If your house and your family were suddenly under fire, would you know what to do in the first 60 seconds? Imagine it's 2 a.m. The house is quiet. Suddenly, you wake up to a strange smell. You notice smoke creeping under your door. In a typical house fire, you may have less than 3 minutes to escape safely. Modern homes burn faster than ever. Fire spreads quickly, and toxic smoke fills rooms even faster. Most people die from smoke inhalation, not burns. The first and most important rule is simple: get out and stay out. Before opening any door, use the back of your hand to check it for heat. If it feels hot, do not open it. If the door is cool, open it slowly. If you see smoke, crawl. The cleanest air is closest to the floor. Do not waste time gathering valuables. Phones, wallets, electronics, none of them are worth your life. If your clothes catch fire, remember, stop, drop, and roll. Do not run, it only feeds the fire oxygen. If a grease fire starts in a pan, never pour water on it. Instead, cover the pan with a metal lid to cut off the oxygen. Know the pass method. Pull the pin, aim at the base, squeeze the handle, sweep from side to side. Smoke alarms save lives. Install them in every bedroom and on every level. Test them monthly. Every family should have a fire escape plan. Identify at least 2 exits from each room, a door and a window. Choose a meeting point outside, like a neighbor's driveway or a tree. Once you're out, go directly there. Practice fire drills twice a year. In an emergency, people fall back on what they have practiced. Close bedroom doors at night. A closed door can slow the spread of fire and provide extra minutes for escape. Prevention is key. Keep heaters away from curtains and do not overload electrical outlets. Once you are safe, call emergency services immediately. Never go back inside for any reason. Fire doesn't wait for you to prepare, but preparation gives you power. Talk to your family and make a plan today.